Alright, check it out. This is the build. Got an alternator motor on there. It's a brushless DC now. You take the diode pack off, turns it into that. Plenty of videos on that. We have the power supply for the rotor coils. This is how I power it up. Got the 18650 cells. I guess they're 18 volts. Ryobi 1 Plus. Boom. There's that 3D printed enclosure, so I'll take that off. Maybe it's a pretty good fit. There we go. That's how that works. No problem there. Got the controller mounted. Works perfect. It's a 36 volt, 800 watt, and it fits great in a pencil bag from Walmart. That's the bike. I mounted the brushless DC motor right here on the rear fork, the upper fork for the rear swing arm. And the suspension can still travel with the bike. So we'll push down here. I can't really tell, but there's that. On the other side, we have a belt going to the rear wheel, mounted on the hub. And it just mounts onto the back like that with, I think those self-tapping screws are for roofing or something like that. So yeah, that's the setup. That's where we're at. These batteries are not going to cut it.